It's a 2016 Mazda CX-5. With the CX-5, it's all about connection to the road, to those around you, and to the adventures of the road ahead. It comes with the features you need, and better yet, want. SKYACTIV-G engine, air conditioning, Bluetooth wireless audio streaming, manual tilting steering column, Bluetooth, external memory control, aluminum wheels, push-button start, and automatic transmission. Car and Driver finds the CX-5 doesn't drive like any other existing compact SUV. It's more lively, more involving, more steeped in the sports car character that Mazda harps on about in its Zoom advertising. For all the things that drive you, there's Mazda. There's even more to see in person. Take it for a test drive today.
Visit our website at edmorsecadillactampa.com or call us today.